Hey makeup beauties! Alright, I'm here to share with you. This is July's BoxyCharm. Alright, the first item that I'm going to pull out is one of the biggest ones that came in here. It is from Pharmacy, the brand, and it's a whipped greens oil-free foaming cleanser. It retails for $28. That's a full size, baby. Next is going to be a setting powder, and look at how cute this is. Talk about like baking. It says flour. So this is a Beauty Bakery flour setting powder. So Beauty Bakery is the brand, as you can see right there. And this one retails for $24. It says that it's a finely milled oat translucent setting powder for your concealer, for your foundation, and just to give you an all day long wear. It does give you a matte finish, so definitely gonna try this one out. Okay, next is gonna be a vitamin infused eye serum by Mud Masky. This one retails for $63. $63. That's crazy. It has vitamin C, okay, for all skin types, has antioxidants. I'm excited. Definitely gonna try this. Okay, this next one is a summer lip oil. It does have coconut oil in here and it retails for $18, and the brand is called Basic Beauty. It says that it reduces the appearance of lip lines. I didn't know that was a thing. We were trying to get rid of our lip lines. I mean, I guess when you have like lip fillers, you see like how people have like almost no lip lines. Oh Lord, another thing to worry about. Okay, we're gonna save the cutest for last. Lastly is going to be, look at these adorable little beauty blenders. How cute are they? Okay, so these beauty blenders are M2U NYC is the brand. Makeup blending sponge. It's a set of 4 and it retails for $20. They're super cute. They're latex-free 3D makeup blending sponges. Okay, they're all in different shapes, different colors, and I'm in. Retails for $20, so thank you, BoxyCharm. You rock as always. All right, that was July. Let's look forward to August. It's coming. All right, babes. Beauties, don't forget to like and follow for more, and tag BoxyCharm, hashtag BoxyCharm in the comments. And hey, I pay for all my own stuff. Nobody is sponsoring any of this, so it would definitely be nice to be recognized, you know.